Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. An ugly day today on Wall Street and on any street. Uh, Today, not only was the stock market down a lot, but commodities were down. All sectors in the stock market were down, utilities included. But I wanted to talk about copper tonight, so let's get into it. I want this to be short. This is CPER, the copper ETF. And this was the big triangle. And this was the breakout we got. And so I went long back here, early 2024, went neutral, tried to buy it back on the pullback, got stopped out, bought it again, and went neutral, and then tried to purchase it again after it broke out because the upside price projection and the pattern were intact at that point, but it failed. And there's nothing more bearish than a failed breakout pattern of 1, 2, almost 3 years in the making. So usually the bigger the pattern, the more stable they are. Now, this was down for the week almost 14%. So it got killed along with everything else. Let's take a shorter term outlook. I'm going with the stop. I'm getting stopped out of this, going to neutral, and I'll show you why. We're going to look at the daily chart, which is just the last 6 months or so. And here it is. Here was our bullish channel, and here was our downdraft. And I don't think this is over yet. You can see the confluence of moving averages coming together. That this will be a bearish rainbow convergence when those lines touch in probably several days from now. And at that point in time, I will revisit this. What I did today, because it was down so much, I don't know, 8.5% today, I sold 2/3 of what I had and I kept a third. And I'm not saying that's the right strategy. I'm just telling you what I will try to do when these lines all come together. I'll try to buy a little bit more and then see if we get a retracement back up here, which is, it's possible. It also could not happen. But if it does, I can get out of my position with a lesser loss. So the other thing that's still in copper silver longer term, once this whole thing is done, is that the point and figure chart is still intact, but prices can come all the way down to 20 before to challenge the bullish trend line. So, at 27, I'm not willing to sit and watch that happen. So anyway, thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Don't think about the market. Talk to you soon. Adios.